Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a little tutorial how to repost Instagram story on your Instagram. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the Instagram application, and after that we just need to take a look on the notification button. The symbol is love, and if someone tag you on a post, that will be appear either in this notification or directly into the message. Okay, so here there is write down that the matcha is mentioned you in their story. You just need to open it, and how to repost it, you just need to click the content first to check what content that you tagged into. So this picture is the content that you tagged it by Chamacha, and how to repost it, you just need to click add to your story. And after that, this post is already in the story section of you. You can like adjusting the size of this picture, either you want to make it like smaller by pinch it, or you can also make it bigger. You can also add some typewriting on it just by clicking this top sections and type something here. Okay, and you can also adjusting the position of this typewriting into this. Okay, and after you finish, you can just go click add into your story. Okay, and let's check either this content is already reposted on your story or not. Okay, now this content is already posted into your story, and that's all the way how you repost Instagram story on your Instagram. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.